Hi, Sue. Hey, it's Santa. You know, I was going over the naughty and nice list for the first time. Oh, you didn't think that was just for kids. Well, maybe you did, because your name has been on there forever. Wow, you are awesome. And, hey, you've been with Bud for 15 years. You would think that would be a fast pass right to the top. You know what I mean? Whew! Now, because of this, and don't tell everybody, but I snuck in and put a little present on the backside about halfway up the tree. Just for you, but don't let it get out. I mean, if everybody wanted their presents early, I'd be in trouble. You know what I mean? But just a little something for you. All right? You have a Merry, Merry Christmas. All right? Ho, 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 ho.
Sounds like you're talking to you, Sue.
Yes, it does.
Holy cow.
Halfway up the tree.
Somewhere halfway up the tree.
Well, go check it out. For goodness sake.
This tree here?
All right, go ahead.
Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe at her house.
Maybe it's at her house.
Well, why would it be coming through here?
Because,
Halfway up the tree and
On the backside.
backside.
Does that have your name on it?
It does.
From Santa?
let
It
me
does.
see.
Well, then it's definitely for you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Reach right
yeah.
now.
Can't fit the cap in her mouth?
Probably not.
What is it?
Present.
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
The pig like him.
What it
Papa.
is, it's
Okay.
not necessarily.
Oh, my
It's
God.
not jewelry.
Are you kidding me? That's not a... What is that?
Let her figure it out.
Oh, my heart is going to my
What is it, Sue?
You better run outside, girl.
No, sir! No, sir! No, sir!
This is
What is outside?
Oh, no, come on.
this is the snow for the
I
cow.
don't know what they're
We gotta see what it is. I mean, it has shoes on. I'm going out.
Look at over the fence.
What is going on?
Whoa.
Oh my God, where's my husband? Oh, shit! Oh,
That's all right. That's all right. Turn those lights on again. I want to see. We need a floodlight out here. Yes, we do. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Aunt Sue got a brand new car for Christmas. Santa sent Uncle Buddy a car. Her favorite car.
Oh my God.
My favorite car.
I wonder the door.
How did you do this?
Yeah.
How did you do this? You'll have to go back in and watch the video again.
Oh, Santa sent it for Uncle Buddy to give to Sue.
Oh my God!
Get inside.
Okay. Oh my God!
Don't tell her. Don't remind her.
Someone's.
Oh my God! Merry Christmas!
That's okay.
Oh, you're my.
But I'm cold.
Santa said that she was really good this year.
Am I a lucky woman? Look what my husband bought for me. Merry Christmas to the luckiest woman in the world. This is what happens when you put something on your dream board. Your dreams come true. Thank you, Tom Ferry.